It's Maverick 50. TBT Airsoft here, come to you today with a loadout review. And not really a loadout review, but more or less my gun reviews. These are my 3 guns. That's a WE Scar. I've special VFC internals in it with a hard kick system. My TSD tactical 9mm gas blowback. And this is pretty much kind of like my pride and joy. My GNG GR16 Raider. Okay, I'm going to tell you the attachments that I run on these weapons and what I've added on. I've added a Mad Bull Black Python Type bore barrel 6.01. UTG ergonomic foregrip with pressure pad switch selections. I run Magpul mags with the grips on the bottom. I also have a Matrix ACOG sight with no zoom, just a regular ACOG. Okay. Here's my 12.1 volt, $60. I think it's an ICS battery. I don't think it is, but it's a really sweet battery. 12.1 volt, $60. Biggest battery you can probably find. Shoots about as fast as 11.1 LiPo, probably a little faster. And I have my American flag patch there. Have it in my pouch. Then I got my NC Star green laser with the pressure pad. Then I have some mock suppressor that my friend broke. I don't know the name of it, but it's really sweet. It screws on and off. But I have it on tight so it won't come off during game. Because I'm going to Cleveland Indoor Airsoft tomorrow with my team. I got a TSD 9mm pistol with just a standard green gas mag. I got my Magpul grip on my mags. These are Scar mags, so it kind of keeps it from getting too cold. It's kind of like a little thermos blanket for it, kind of. I got my True Glow red dot sight. And I was actually thinking about running my True Glow on my M4, but since I just picked this gun up this week, I'm going to put it on this because this Scar has so much kick that it'd be more efficient to use a real steel red dot. Here's my stock, just standard. Oh, this is standard. Oh, and then I have my Brinkman tactical light. Then I got my broomstick handled foregrip. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, then I have my really sick flash hider. I love that flash hider. It just looks so sweet. But yeah, that is about it. And you want to know how I picked up this WE? I traded it for an Elite Force M4. This WE is worth $800 with the hard kick system, VFC internals, and it came with 8 mags. It's almost too good to be true, but it was for me, so I got that. Then I run this cross draw vest that I picked up maybe a year ago. Can't really get it right now, but yeah, there it is. I also run these general purpose utility gloves because I'm too cheap to buy hard knuckles. Really don't feel like it either. Then I have my melee weapon. This is a cold steel trainer. I call this knife JJ. Just messing around with my friends. We got names for our knives. Got my holster and M4's pouch. And like my BBs, my charger, med kit, hat. I have UTG 180-degree goggles, and
what?
Then I am and then that is Maverick 50's Airsoft. Comment, rate, and subscribe. TBT Airsoft out.